See, I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this 5x5 lace closure wig. It is, I think, 28 inches or 30 inches, I don't remember, but the exact length will be down in the description box. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, before I jump into that, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So this is the box that the wig came in. Y'all know the purple box. I don't need to do any like in-depth review. In the box they sent me their information card, some stocking cap, elastic headband to put around your hair when you're installing your wig, helps to lay down your baby hairs and also to lay your lace itself. But we didn't need it because we did glueless, okay? Glueless and sprayless. And also some comb. They did send me some baby hair combs as well. I just don't know where it is right now. But if you guys would love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching. Oh yeah, if you guys don't know, right here is my hair, okay? This is my level. If you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on. So okay guys, I'm trying to do my hair, but the way that I want to do it, it's a closure wig that I have to install right now. This is it. I think it's either a 28 inch or a 30 inch. Nevertheless, I'm trying to do a new method of installing my wig where it's almost like a glueless method as well, but I wanted to put the hair behind my hairline, if you get what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to like take out some of my hair and put it towards the front. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the regular blending of the lace. I'm going to add my concealer to the lace if I can find it actually. I really want this wig to be glueless, so I'm going to literally pull everything that's in the wig that's supposed to make the wig tight. I'm going to tighten every single thing. I don't really want to stay, I don't really want to go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together. So for sure it's already tight enough, right? But again, I want it to stay right here with my hair at the front. I'm trying to figure out something. I'm trying to figure out a way to make this work. It needs to work, okay? It actually needs to work. I'm trying to figure out a way to make it work.
You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic.
Okay guys, I think I'm getting somewhere with this hair. I think so. I think I'm getting somewhere with it. yeah, I think I'm getting somewhere with it. I feel like this is how some like older people put their wigs on naturally. I think this is the way they naturally do it, because I don't want to put any type of like glue or anything on their hair. And I think honestly it's just the same thing that I'm doing, because now I'm just gonna use the front part of my hair to cover it up, and it will not look like a wig, period. Now I'm doing the baby hairs. So for the baby hairs, I'm not going to put any at the front. Just like how I would not have probably put any for my natural sewing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush the front part right here, like so, and then I'm going to take out a little bit of the wig itself along with my hair that's at the front, and I'm going to do my baby hairs.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty from go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiance, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to.
Guys, so I already curled the baby hairs. Now I'm gonna go in with my spritz, and that's what I'm going to use for the baby hair. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is actually so pretty. What the hell, like what am I doing? This is super duper pretty. Guys, so I'm at the point where I am supposed to do the middle part, so I don't want the lace to show right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with some dark brown foundation. Guys, there's a method to my madness, so don't come for me and say like give me a break. I think I need to fix this baby hairs, because yeah, I need to fix this one, but I'll go into that after. But yeah, I'm just going to blend out the lace right here. Obviously when I'm washing my wig to put it on like a regular wig, I'm going to wash that part off, but for now I have to use this to blend out the hair so the line is not there, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top.
I'm sure there's a way to blend this out. Actually, I see people do it with like skin thin HD lace, like literally skin thin, so that way it literally blends with anything you put it on. So maybe if I had that lace, then I would not have had to like blend out this part. But there's a method to my madness. There's literally a method to my madness, guys. So just give me a bit, we're getting there. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Honestly, I must say I did something with this wig. I did something with this hair that I've never done before, and I'm actually living for it. Okay, the only thing I'll probably change about this hairstyle, if I'm supposed to do it over, is probably not do the baby hairs. But apart from that, guys, I did a leave out with a wig, but not too much leave out, if you get what I'm saying. Like literally just my baby hairs out. Who you know? Who you know? I really love it. Like, you can literally wear it down like this and it will still look nice, still look good, still look, you know. Or you can actually put it behind the ears and kind of give it that, you know, trying to be cute, trying to be sexy, flirty, but not too much. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys would love for me to try like different hairstyles or like different method of like installing wigs, then definitely let me know in the comment section and I will definitely try it. Definitely, for sure, because I had fun doing this. But that being said, thank you guys, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.